Hello and welcome to SolidCad. Today we are going to make this simple part as an exercise for beginners. This is not so very difficult. This is 80 millimeter distance from here to here and 45 from this center to the center of this hole, and 25 millimeter is the thickness of the plate, the base plate, this one. So let's start and see what we can do. I'll open a new part. Okay. On the top plane, I will draw a polygon, 3-side polygon, like so, and give it a relation of horizontal, and I will press S key and give it a fillet of 20 millimeter here, 20 millimeter, 20, and this one 20. Okay, excuse me. I will draw a line from here, center line from here to here, and another center line from the midpoint of this to up, and give it a dimension of 45 millimeter. 45. Okay. Now I will delete these two lines and draw a circle here on 45 of dia 64. This is actually 32, so I will go for liters and make it 32. Is 32 radius here, and this is 80 millimeter, like so. I will draw a few lines, connect to this, and another line from here to this. I will trim the extra. I don't need these. I will draw a circle, center point circle, from the center of this to this. I will make it construction geometry. I will make both. This is already tangent, but I will make it tangent. I will confirm it. This is tangent, this is not tangent, this is tangent, this is, and this is a tangent. This and this should be tangent, and this also should be tangent. Control Z. I will take the center of this and bring it here. Let me delete this line, and with the trim tool I will extend this and draw another line, draw a line and make it tangent to this. This and this line should be tangent, like so. I will trim the extra line here, and I will trim this also. The sketch is fully defined, but there is another problem here, so I will delete this, and again I will use the trim tool and extend it a little bit, draw a line from here to the tangent of this. I will delete the extra with the trim tool, like so, and also this. The sketch is fully defined. This is 32, this is 32 millimeter, this is 45, this is 80 millimeter, radius is 20 as per drawing, radius It is not given, but it is 20 millimeter here, and this radius is 32 millimeter here, and center distance is 80 millimeter and 45 millimeter from center to this and center of these holes. Okay, center of these, the holes will come here, so I will extrude it up to 25 millimeter. Oh, not 225, 25 millimeter. Okay, on this face I will draw circles, wake up center point and make it, let me check, this is 12 millimeter radius and this is 7 millimeter radius. Okay, 12 times 2 and 7 times 2. I will draw a center line from here to here, and I will trim, fillet, mirror these entities. Okay, and now I will cut extrude. I will cut only, I will select the contours, I will select this and this, up to 6 millimeter. Let me check if it is 6 millimeter. Yes, it is 6 millimeter here. It's okay. Okay, now I'll wake up again this sketch and cut extrude. I will select only this and this and through all. Okay, this is complete. Now I will draw a sketch over here, a circle set of this center, and make it coincident with this. It's 64. Actually it is 32 millimeters radius. 64. I will make it 32 millimeter radius. Radius is 32. As in the drawing, I will extrude up to 60 millimeter minus 25 millimeter. 60 minus 25 millimeter. 60 is total height is, and the minus 25 we already made this. So I will go for 60 minus 25 is 35 millimeter. Okay, this is extruded. Now I will make a plane. I will take this and give it a distance of 36 millimeter and flip the direction, because this is starting from 36 millimeter this, and I'm going to make this part on 36 millimeter high from the bottom of this part. Okay, okay, on this plane I will draw sketch normal tool. I will draw a rectangle from here to here, and I will take a midpoint of this and merge coincident them, so it will remain, this is 40 millimeter. Let me check. The radius of this is 20 millimeter. This is 40 millimeter is written here. This is 40 millimeter. Okay, I will draw a 3-point arc. 3-point arc from here to here, and I will bring this like so. I will delete this. I'll make these all, I will give it a dimension. Dimension is already given, but I did not give it a dimension from here to here. What is the dimension here? So let's check. This is 105 millimeter, 75 millimeter radius, which goes through the center of this circle. So let me draw a circle of radius 75. I will draw a radius of 75 millimeter. 75 times 2. 105 millimeter and make it. I will take this and make this. This is fully defined here. Now I will go for circular pattern. I will select these, this line and this line, and make 3 sides. And I will, this point is wrong, I will take this like so. Okay, the sketch is not fully defined because this I have to move this. Now the sketch is fully defined. I will extrude these 3 entities reverse direction 20 millimeters. Okay, because 20 and 4 plus 24 millimeter total. This is 20 and 4 millimeter is this and 20 is this. So 36 plus 20 is 56 plus 4 is 60. So this is 20 millimeter. Okay, like so. I will hide this plane, draw a sketch over here, give it a dimension of, dimension is radius 13 millimeter radius, so I will give it 13 times 2. This is the radius. I will extrude it up to 4 millimeter like so. I will draw a sketch over here, like so, give it a dimension of 8 millimeter radius here, 8 millimeter, 8 millimeter, 16 millimeter, 16 millimeter. Okay, I will go select this. I will select this and make it as per drawing, radius 8. I will go for cut extrude and up to next. Okay, I will select this and this boss, and I will go for patterning, circular pattern, 3 sides, and I will select this and okay that. This is done. All is need is here's a hole in here. There is a hole here of, let me check, hole of 20 R20 means 40 millimeter, 40 millimeter hole. I will draw a sketch from here to here like so. I will select the midpoint and coincide with this, so when I will move this, it will move both sides and locked here. So this is 24 is given, from here to here is 24 like so, and this is 5 millimeter. Sketch is fully defined. I will cut extrude it. I will select this and this, and through all. Okay, the part is almost complete. Only what is left is the fillets of 2 millimeter, not shown in the drawing, but there are fillets here. You can see here there are fillets of 2 millimeter here, so I will fillet them all these places. Fillet of 2 millimeter. I will select this face. I will select this one and this one. Okay, that the part is complete. Let me change the appearance. I don't like this appearance, so I will make it something like that. I think that is it looks good. The part is complete. There is nothing more to do. I hope you like it and enjoyed the video. This is a very simple exercise for beginners. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.